gonna do a quick video, show you how to fix an iPhone that's not charging. Sometimes a lot of lint gets built up inside these charger ports, and keep playing with your charger, trying to get it to charge, and think it's something wrong with the iPhone or the charger, but really, a lot of times a lot of lint and dirt get in there. You have to clean it. So what I do is I just take the earring, and I go inside of here, and I clean it. Try to get it at an angle. And I just get at an angle, and I go in there. A lot of times lint and dirt come out. I just scoop it out. It's a little lint coming out, dirt. You don't gotta be scared to do it, because it just actually helps and works. A lot of people, see, the lint came out there. A lot of people I dealt with, friends and stuff, they told me that their phone wasn't charging and they couldn't get up with me. And I was like, they said they have an iPhone. I told them about this trick, and they tried it, and they told me that it worked, and now they're back on their phone. So I'm not gonna do it too much, but if you need to do this, it helps your phone charge so you can use it again.